There will be no traslasyon on January 1, 2021. For the first time, the grand procession of the Black Nazarene will not push through due to the COVID-19 pandemic. This was announced by Manila Mayor Isko Moreno. The annual feast draws millions of devotees. The procession takes more than 16 hours, starting from Carino Grandstand in Luneta to Quiapo Church. Devotees join the procession as part of their panata or vow. Others take part asking for healing or intervention from the Black Nazarene. Quiapo Church officials say they will no longer appeal the decision of the local government.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.